as you can see here now, we stood in Cheadle Primary School, brand new outdoor learning environment that has been built in partnership with JCB. We planted a seed about 6 months ago with an area that was completely dilapidated. It was full of brambles, weeds, bracken, nettles, and it was just a huge space that was being unloved and unused.
My name's Georgina Williams and I'm a machine operator at JCB, and we're here today at Cheadle Primary School and we're starting work on a community project to build an outdoor classroom for the children here. The first job today was to clear this site. We're utilising the 3CX Compact Pro machine here. It's been perfect for the job. We've been using the 6-in-1 feature of the machine to be able to grab all of the material out, the nettles, all of these old pieces of wood that we've needed to get rid of. We've been using the back end to rip up some of this old tarmac and bricks here. We're loading the lorry, we're getting the job done. This huge wooden structure that's going to sit just here to provide some lovely shelter for the children, and hopefully that will get filled with some nice benches and some tables for the children, and it'll be all ready for when they return after the summer holidays.
So with the help of our friends, we managed to draw up a plan that involved us having quite a lot of excavation work with thanks to JCB. We have built an area, as you can see, that's got an outdoor classroom in it now. The children are outside using that every single day.
It's been a pleasure and a privilege to be here today with Cheadle Primary School. We reached out a couple of months ago to support the school in any ways we can and embed ourselves within the community. Mrs Breeze, the headmistress here, came up with an idea of turning this area into something proactive, an outdoor learning facility where children can enhance their learning and again carry on the school motto of reaching as high as they possibly can in their aspirations, and we were happy to support.
It's an absolute dream come true. Could not be more grateful for the support that we've had, and coming from a community where, you know, JCB are the largest employer within our community, where most of our families work, it feels like it's been a real community affair.
I've actually come from a period where children have been in homes, isolating just with families, and for them to actually experience and come back to school and work with JCB as a family to experience this is really going to broaden and enrich everything that we want of the children. It's so fabulous.
Hi, my name's Ruby. My name is Lucas. My name is Junior. I'm 7 years old, and when I grow up I want to be a digger driver. I want to be a digger driver. I want to be a JCB digger driver.
It's been wonderful to share it today with all of our friends, with all of our families, and to come together at the culmination of a huge, brilliant project that is really, really going to make a massive difference to our children's learning opportunities.